Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Epic Games Launcher uninstalling error because it says that it is currently running. So if you want to know how you can fix that, just continue watching this video and make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So for the first fix, what you can do here is to close Epic Games background processes. So if you try to uninstall Epic Games Launcher, but Windows shows you the Epic Games Launcher is currently running message, there's a background process stopping you. So even if you haven't launched the app, its process might already run if it is set to launch at the system startup. However, you can easily stop the app from running in the background. So just follow the steps right here. So first, just right click at the start button and select Task Manager and open the Processes tab and right click the Epic Games Launcher and simply select End Task. So as you can see here, here's the End Task option. So if you still cannot uninstall Epic Games Launcher, you can just move on to the next solution, which is to the run the install and uninstall troubleshooter. So Windows it is trying its best to give you necessary troubleshooting tools for every problem you might encounter. So while there's no built-in troubleshooter to help you uninstall stubborn software, you can use Microsoft's install and uninstall troubleshooter. So here's how you can use it after you've downloaded it. So first, just launch the install and uninstall troubleshooter and click yes in the UAC window. And after that, just simply click next and then uninstall and choose Epic Games Launcher from the list of programs. So right here and then simply click next. And after that, select yes, try to uninstall. So if the problem still persists, what you can do here next is to uninstall Epic Games using the command prompt. So there are different ways to uninstall software in Windows 11, and most people use Control Panel to remove software. However, it might not be the best choice, especially when it comes to problematic apps. So if the classical method didn't work, it is time to give command prompt a try. So first, just launch command prompt with administrative rights and type the WMIC or WMIC and simply press enter. So copy and run the product where name where name Epic Games Launcher, call uninstall command line, and after that, confirm the action by simply typing Y and pressing the enter button. And wait for the command prompt to uninstall the app, and if it displays method execution successful message, Epic Games Launcher is now uninstalled. And so that's it for this video. Remember, you can always pause this video, go back to the video, and follow the steps at your own time. And I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.